Welcome to my channel at Veteriner Diary. In this video, we will share about dog water intake guide. 1. General rule. Dogs should drink about 1 ounce of water per pound of body weight daily. A 50-pound dog needs about 50 ounces, 6.25 cups. 2. Factors influencing intake. Size and breed. Larger breeds need more water. Activity level. Active dogs require more, especially after exercise. Diet. Dry food increases water needs compared to wet food. Weather. Hot weather increases water intake. Signs of dehydration. 1. Loss of skin elasticity. Skin doesn't return quickly when pinched. 2. Sunken eyes. Dull or sunken eyes. 3. Excessive panting, increased breathing rate. Encouraging water intake. 1. Fresh water, provide clean water daily. 2. Multiple bowls, place bowls in different areas. 3. Flavoring, use low-sodium broth to entice drinking. 4. Water fountains, some dogs prefer running water. Thank you for watching. We hope this video is useful.